I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play PUBG Mobile on a Mac step by step. First, download a compatible Android emulator and verify system requirements, then install the emulator and grant permissions. Next, log into your Google account, open the App Store inside the emulator, search PUBG Mobile, and install the game. Finally, map keyboard controls, set graphics to balanced, restart the emulator, and launch a practice match to test settings. Start by choosing a stable Android emulator compatible with Mac OS and download the appropriate installer. Open the downloaded file, drag the emulator to Applications, and follow on-screen setup prompts. When installation completes, open the emulator, sign in with your Google account, and update Google Play services if prompted. Finally, adjust emulator preferences like CPU cores and memory allocation to ensure smooth gameplay before installing PUBG Mobile from the Play Store. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like right now if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying while you game effortless and funny to mention. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider a trial if available. Now let's get back to the video. Open PUBG Mobile inside the emulator and access the keyboard mapping tool to assign keys for movement, aiming, shooting, and menu actions. Use sensible defaults like WASD for movement and space for jump, then tweak sensitivity and aim assist in game settings. Test bindings in a training match, adjust DPI and mouse sensitivity inside emulator if needed, and save a profile so you can restore settings seamlessly across updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.